What's up YouTube, it's DaBossElla and I'm here today with these gorgeous metallic nails. Yes, if you want to know how to get this gorgeous set of metallic stiletto nails, then just keep watching. Okay YouTube, what's up, it's DaBossElla and I'm going to tell you how I got this fabulous set of nails that are so cute. They're navy blue on the inside and they are metallic or iridescent or whatever color on the other side. These are so amazingly beautiful and you too can do them at home. Would you like to know how? Well, here we go. Check this out. Yes, it's the L.A.Colors PIXIE. These are so amazing. I have washed dishes in these. I've had these on all day. They haven't come off or anything. Now I actually didn't use the glue that came in here because these come with glue, a file, and also something to clean your nails so that when you put them on they're going to stay a very long time. So let me show you exactly what's in this package. Okay, this PIXIE is by L.A.Colors and these are the nail sizes that it comes with. There are 10 size options available. Alright, so in this package, this is what you get. These are your nails that you get, and there are 33. This is a 33 piece nail kit. So you're going to get 30 nails. You get 30 nails, the L.A.Colors nail glue, and also an L.A.Colors wipe and clean prep pad to get all the oils off of your nail beds to make sure that you're ready to go. And you also get a L.A.Colors nail file, rough side, smooth side. Okay, all right, so you get all that in this package, and then all you have to do is follow the directions, which tell you to have washed hands. You don't want to have any oil on your hand. You use the prep pad. You're going to use the file. They have the directions here on the package for you. And you can do this in like 5 minutes. I did this in less than 5 minutes. All you do is go through here and lay out the nails that are your size, and then you put them on. Boom, boom. How much would a set of metallic nails cost, guys? I don't know, but this was like $3.87 at Walmart, okay? And if it wasn't $3.87, it was $5.87. Whatever it was under $6. And this is amazing, okay? The one that I'm wearing is the Outer Space Stiletto. And then this little lovely purple color is called Pyro. Okay, y'all got that? So when you want some fancy metallic nails, go to your local Walmart or CVS or Rite Aid or wherever you shop or wherever they sell L.A.Colors nails and get you the L.A.Color PIXIE holographic artificial nail tips. Alright, well, that's how you do it. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye bye. Toodles. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Bye girls. Bye boys.